Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy War learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do tag weight in a image on Windows. So for this case we will go to any kinds of image. So here I have separated from another thing. So here this is image.png or any kinds of extension that I can use the tag section. So how? So before that, this is a image. This is obviously my image. Now here we'll go to the right button and we will click the properties, see, or as well as we can use the alter plus enter, see. So here the details, so this is the detail. So I can use the title, so any kinds of name, Ayesha, whatever I want to give is good girl. See, this is the title. So this title, same titles I have given the comments, see here, and also I will give the same things again and again, and the rating things here the 5-star. So when I will give the apply, then okay, then the thing has been revealed here. Let's check. See, it has nothing, but check again the thing has been or not. Alter, enter. See, that is not working. So for this case I have to use again. Sometimes it will not work. I don't know what happened in Windows. Apply. Okay, again it has been checked. See, the thing has been clear. Now how to reveal this here? So go to view section. So is there have? Maybe no, there haven't. Short, more, tag is have, no, yet not. So if we get the refresh, not, it is not working. Again we'll show what is this, navigate, no details. So again I will do the view, show, compact, view, status, more ascending, tag size, group by tag. See, this is the group by tags. This has been the tag title that I have said, setting this thing. Sort view, see where tag status, see, again more tags, more tag. See, so in this way we can set these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.